베란제 루트 속에 모네 진호 공사 겸거의 친구초 공단 제주 장알을 페베 꾸이 퉁갈라 참비슈고요. On behalf of Students for Free Tibet International and everyone, I wish His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama a very happy birthday. Your Holiness, you have inspired millions of people across the world with your message of peace and compassion. For 6 million Tibetans, you are the symbol of freedom and hope. As we celebrate your 85th birthday, we are reminded by your teaching that change comes through a purposeful action. Keeping that in mind, we recommit ourselves to the Tibetan freedom movement and to take strategic non-violent action to bring change in Tibet. Your Holiness, we wish you a very happy, healthy, and long life. Thank you, Your Holiness, again.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to His Holiness.
Kui chungala tashibele. Jino hwasa kambyon chimpo chogi ku chungala kusumra kuiki samdi dashitile shu.
Pyoge lana mebe uti, jino konsa jamgo chimbo cho, kontra jiri changala pepe kuchungala dashitile kamishu. Happy birthday, Your Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet.
Dashidela and happy birthday to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Thank you for being such an amazing inspiration for Tibetan youth all over the world and for always instilling the importance of education, honesty, compassion, and kindness. We are so lucky to have you as a role model and inspiration. We are celebrating you on this auspicious day, and we hope that the next year brings you nothing but the best. Happy birthday!
Canada pyorang zulu sokwane jawe ishino kuchunga la tishtile samti tha kutsechilo tembe melam shu.
I would like to wish His Holiness a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead of him.
Gamche Tungarla Dashideleya, thank you for guiding so many young Tibetans to be compassionate and to do good in the world. Your sacrifices will never be forgotten and our fight will continue. Pegelo.
Dashidale. Birthday wishes to His Holiness. Prayers for your long and healthy life.
Consicho kontan geju genga pepe kui tunga la yangi friendship peranze lup soba tsap shune dashi de letame yu ane kenangi kusula na tsamayo be mena mambu yu. De la part de toute l'équipe de SFT France, étudiants pour un Tibet libre, nous vous souhaitons un très joyeux anniversaire. Nous vous souhaitons une très bonne santé, une longue vie, et nous espérons qu'un jour, Sa Sainteté, le 14e Dalai Lama, pourra fêter son anniversaire dans un Tibet libre. Pegalo!
Tande, tao dembe tsejo. Jino konsa kemi chimbucho. Konda ichikinga pepe kui chungala dashile shu. Ichapchida kong kuze shapitimba shu.
Happy birthday, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Wishing that you are in good health and sending love from Students for a Free Tibet in the UK.
Long live Dalai Lama. Happy birthday to you.
Gawamishla Tunkar Yimo Deshile Shus, Ni Kozi Shapetempa Shus. We wish you a very, very happy birthday. May you live long forever and bless all the sentient beings in the world.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. May all your wishes come true. May you be blessed with great health and many more birthdays to celebrate with us. May your wish to return to Tibet come true as soon as possible.
On behalf of my entire board and our general members, I would like to wish His Holiness a very happy birthday. We would like to thank His Holiness for his never-ending efforts towards world peace, for the countless opportunities His Holiness has granted us, our families, and our community to not only survive, but thrive in exile. His Holiness has always led by example in demonstrating nonviolent and peaceful ways to attain diplomacy and negotiations that can further the Tibetan cause. This is something that we are so grateful to have as a role model. We would like to wish His Holiness a long and healthy and happy life, and just to thank His Holiness for everything.
Tarin gyam puchi khonlo geju ge nga phebe kuthunga la tasle samti shuye khangri rawe korwe shinkham su phentan dewa malu juwe ne chere siwa tenzi gyatsu yi shabe side partu tengyurjik